Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Tisha. Welcome. And for those of you who are returning subscribers or returning viewers, welcome. So glad to have you guys today. If you notice, I have no sling or anything, and that's because I pre-recorded this video before my surgery. So in this video today, I'm going to show you this product that I found called the Lazy Hat. In preparation for my surgery, I started thinking of things, that I do every day that I may not be able to do once my surgery is over. One thing that I would not be able to do is comb my hair on a regular basis, and my hair is natural, and for you black women out there, it takes some time to groom your hair and make it look really good in its natural state. And for me, because I would not be able to comb my hair, I have to have protective styles, which may get messy, but I just want to be able to go to my doctor visits, or if I have to go out in the street, I don't want to be looking like a crazy woman. So for those bad hair days, I invested in 3 Lazy Hats. For those of you who do not know about the Lazy Hat, it is a product that was designed by a black woman. So it is a black owned business, and she has, I believe, 3 styles of the hat. I just got the regular baseball hat, but if you go to the lazyhat.com website, you will see that in addition to the baseball hat option, there's also a beret option, beret, as well as a beanie option. And the beanie option is just like a regular winter hat. It doesn't get that cold for me in Seattle to wear winter hats, so I believe that a baseball hat would be sufficient. Let's get into the unboxing of the Lazy Hat. Well, not really unboxing, but opening the product itself. I took it out of the box. It came in a regular USPS box. So I went ahead and I braided my hair in 2, and this is a curly black. I just wanted to show you guys it because when I was opening it on the table, you really couldn't see it that well. So this is the curly black. So my wig cap is on. So this is how it looks on the inside. It is satin lined. So I'm sure if you wanted to wear your hat without the cap, it should be fine. So my hair has never been this curly but it looks great. Like, I like it. I did ask the company how to clean the cap. They said you should spot clean it. You cannot throw it in the machine, or you can fill the sink with warm water and wash it out. I did see some videos in terms of like how to care for synthetic hair, because this hair is synthetic, and most of them I've seen say use Downy fabric softener to get it back to a natural looking state. But this is good. Like, I like it. I'm not a wig person. I bought a wig a couple of years ago from a friend who was making wigs, and I was really clueless. I had no idea, you know, that I had to cut it, and when I cut it, it was lace front, so I spoiled it. I'm terrible. But this is how it looks on the back. See? And it's pretty simple. Next is the straight brown. Look at this hair. It's beautiful. I've never had hair this long before. Again, satin. Okay, so if you notice, you can see the hair, so I did put it on incorrectly. This is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I feel like a princess. Look at this. Look at the quality of the hair. It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. So, if I take off the jacket for a minute. You can see how it looks. It's gorgeous. Look at it. You can't even tell. See? Okay, one of the things that I forgot to show you guys is that it has this adjustable strap at the end, at the back here. So if your head is big or small, you can adjust it to suit. Okay. Beautiful. Okay, so tell me which one you prefer. For me, I love the brown options. I think they go well with my complexion. The body wave and the straight brown, they are my favorite. I didn't really like the black curly hair too much. I think it was just too much hair for me, too much hair that I'm accustomed to. So in terms of like all the puff, but it's good, it's cool, but I just think it didn't complement my face and my complexion as much as the brown options did. So if you haven't seen that short video, please go out and check it. I will leave it in the description below. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.